Well, some of you may have already filed your income tax returns and you're hopefully waiting for a refund, but don't be disappointed if it's not as big as years past. Our Jeremiah Marshall spoke with a tax expert today who says you could see a reduction in this year's refund.
Lee, due to new tax reforms put in place by the Trump administration, you may have noticed that less money is being withheld from your paycheck for taxes. And in turn, that's leading to smaller refunds.
There's not as much being withheld, so consequently it does affect the refunds.
The new tax reforms were passed in December of 2017 and are taking effect this year.
Those that are making reasonable amounts of money seem to be benefiting from the tax bills.
If you haven't filed just yet, know that you can expect some changes.
The thing to look at is not in your refund, but to see how much tax you're paying and see what that differential looks like. That will tell you the true story.
Also in this tax bill, exemptions have gone away and child tax credits have doubled. Another change, tax rates were lowered. For example, if you were taxed at 15%, you are now taxed at 12%.
Number one, they are technically paying less tax on those lower earnings. Now the first 10%, that didn't change, but like I say, those that are in the middle ground there, where they were being taxed at 15, are now being taxed at 12.
Ultimately, taxpayers will get to decide if they like these new changes to the tax code staying long term.
As they look at how their pocketbook or how their wallet's been affected either in the past year or potentially what's going to happen in the next year. And so they'll make decisions when it comes to elections and potential representatives based on their financial outlook.
Jeremiah Marshall, Chris 6 News.
And just a reminder, you have about 2 months left to file now. The filing deadline is Monday, April 15th this year.